Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. Let's try replacing some of our basic steps with a heel ball change variation. Let's start by recapping our 8-count footwork, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, triple. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's try this variation. A heel ball change, we're going to start on the right foot. We're going to accent the heel of the right foot, then step onto the ball of the same foot before replacing our weight onto our left. We have heel ball change. We do this to the rhythm of 1 and 2, just like a kickball change. Let's try practicing it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Heel ball change, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel ball change, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel ball change, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel ball change. Let's try putting it into our 8-count basic footwork. We'll do one basic and then try the variation. 5, 6, 5, 6, off we go. Step, step, triple, 5, 6, give it a try. Heel ball change, triple, step, step, triple. Heel ball change, triple, step, step, triple. 1 and 2, triple, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now try that variation in your own time to one of your favourite swing tracks.